they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with Maya. Me person me come any months with your Maya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me pen kwada me know the parties they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso.
Abigail, I forgot to tell you this.
What?
Did I tell you that Aroma came to me yesterday?
Yesterday? Why?
Yes. He came to tell me that he's sorry for all that he has done, blah blah blah, and I should forgive him.
But you've already forgiven him.
That's what I told him. Like I told him I've forgiven him. He has already apologized for that. But that's not all he said. He told me that he wants me back.
That guy, is he mad? Is he stupid? For what reason?
Told me he wants me back and he's sorry for all he did, and now that he has seen that I am a good person and he might not get anyone like me, blah blah blah, some music.
It's because he has given him broken heart. That's the reason why he's doing it. Don't go back to him.
Honestly, like I feel like if Seer had not broken his heart,
the way you are talking, why do you feel pity for him?
Like I don't like him. Let me tell you that. I don't understand. I don't like him.
Is it the eye?
I don't like him. Just listen. I don't like him, but because I have lost interest, I started caring about him.
Because you have lost interest,
yes.
And you are caring. Can you listen to yourself?
You listen to me. See the time that he got hurt, I wasn't treating him because I still had feelings for him. But now that I'm over him, I saw him sitting there one time ago, and then I decided to help him. I started being caring and
good
all
Samaritan.
That. Oh, that's not it. I started being caring and all that. So I feel like maybe I led him on, and now he has come to tell me he likes me.
Please don't go back to me.
But I don't like him.
Precious. You see the way I'm talking? Precious. Don't go back to him.
That's what I'm telling you. I won't go back to
because
him.
I know you. Now you are doing. Don't go back to him.
I won't go back.
You are in a relationship right now.
Yes, and I love him. I love Scanty. I don't love Aroma. But it's
so
just
what's your problem about this?
He's feeling so bad about it, and I'm sad for him.
Why are you sad for him?
I don't like to see him in that situation.
If you don't have feelings for somebody, can you want him for home?
Because now he's like a friend to me, and I don't want him to be so sad. People are dying these days because of such issues.
Hey, Precious.
Understand.
Precious. How many times did I call you?
I didn't count.
You didn't count. Precious. Hey, if you go back to Aroma, I swear, when you see me crossing to the left or to the right, pass. I don't know what to say. Opposite.
Understand? I won't do that. I'm not that dumb. You know me. I'm not that dumb. I'm over him, but it's just that I'm just trying to be caring, okay? And then I love Scanty. There is no way I'm going back to Aroma. I really, really love Scanty. It's just that recently we are having some kind of. So
is it because you and Scanty you are having issues, or you want to go back to Aroma?
No, I'm telling you that I don't want to go back to.
So
him.
Don't think about him. Don't come to me to come and talk about him.
It was
That's
a
all.
mistake even telling you. Every day when I told you
every day it was a mistake, blah 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 blah. I said don't talk about Aroma. Precious, don't talk about Aroma.
I won't talk about Aroma.
I said what? Don't talk about Aroma. Repeat.
I'm not a child.
Repeat.
Don't talk about Aroma.
Okay, it's okay. So
repeat.
You're crazy. Let's
go. Thank you.
Yeah, me the parties they come my way. Oh yeah.
Ala for Aroma. Aromazi, paparazzi, kogororo, bamabara, bururu. Aroma mati. That's it. Gama nada na vya gidi ukwa batana. Mfagi bro. Ko me be pegele kuranza me koya oni wa umse. Wa betina hanu. Yankona efi ebu mo. Aroma. I don't know what if Aroma. Oh, Akateni got a soft heart. Akateni is true. Bemen subachali. Bemen to me as naturally. Where my raho? Yama.
Sometimes the pain and depression is too much. I mean, if you can't contain it, just let it out, bro. Just
So you cry?
take it out sometimes, bro.
Oh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Bring it out sometimes. I do. Coming left me. I left her. Yes, I did. I went for Seer.
I see her too late.
That monster has destroyed my life. You
True.
realize it, say, if it up, me imagine some circle coming, bro. It's too much. I don't know why. Why? I didn't realize the Cannon was just an amazing person. Why didn't I stay with this guy?
Oh, you have made me so emotional.
Why didn't I stay with Cannon?
This story is so tragedy.
I left that angel. Well,
Listen. You are a person, I'm a person. You understand? And Canon, Precious is also a person. Why don't you go back to Precious and talk to her? Huh? Because if you talk to Precious, everything will be okay. Because a gentle that there, a firewood, a short firewood, when you switch it, it's simple.
well, you think I haven't? I've tried. But she said it's too late, bro.
Chawunim, medi asem we medi anim na mia medi wanim do wako Precious ho na mia makoka bia ma no me kasa Precious otie.
Bro, you know what? I just don't want to open old wounds. Your man in court. Opoku, let me. Mommy can't say anything. At this point, I think I have to focus on my life. Maybe, you know, I don't believe in coincidence. In Jin, this I give a coincidence. I believe in the first of Moka said anything happens for a reason, bro. Maybe I am crying about my brother say they are margin the buffy. Jiggy, if you knew.
No there. One, I know the open more about when na was in her born there. And then can find so anka on near who say if you know.
But school house in coming who said Charlie, you didn't buy him a you understand? By a just send me mass and in
you do farm boy cemetery.
Exactly. Now, you go.
By 9 boy, no 3 troka to boni. Only a abu a kun to call this kind of bill 3. Still a mark in that soda. I must say to me out. You see the Pia was sweat. Chafe the one realize who said, oh, you know, we ain't in Quasiasem. Young boy, farm boy say, when you're Precious, say the Precious city. Precious dolphin na kumem. But one value, Precious choir, as a kofana downfall. See ya. If you see the old go and one out. If you be calmer.
I think
Wow, but boom, who say now? Wow, soon.
I mean, deserve it, Precious. Internet, my man, never, bro.
Now deserve it, but one should see
He deserves that girl.
it is said the one what trans realize they said they now we in because now the life be my Christo no one they now the purpose of you coming to this school there.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
It's fine.
That is what I'm up to now.
Any there soon right.
Exactly, bro.
See there soon right.
Exactly.
The Precious one probably my next week.
Yeah, me pen when I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in Brussels with me yeah. Me person me come any months so me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill.
I think so. We don't do. I'll be there right now.
Hey, come back.
No,
Hey, come back. Where are you going?
I'm almost at it. I'm going to meet my uncle.
Your uncle. I'm going to meet your uncle.
I'll come.
Hey, I'll slap you. I'll boo you so. Okay. Seer. Opa Pabuano. We did try.
I'm just going to. Why you?
Seer.
No, don't worry. Everything is fine.
I will maybe tip a put them. We the Opa try. Just try. Salam Pabuana na ya to no the track can add your call. Seer. What's going?
Why are you so toxic? I'm going to meet my uncle, so I can't meet any relative of mine.
Hey, Seer, maybe any me be Jimmy on. So we need me Jimmy. Seer, we need me Jimmy me to yame. Yame Jimmy. Who go share uncle? And can we so go send ka on kra me boa?
I mean,
Me boa. Send ka on kra me can we share for so me boa? Seer. You know, I'm a funny or maybe normal. The funny or maybe normal, but oh your bad sometimes you may do an attend cool. So Jimmy I'm a bull.
but I didn't do anything bad.
Oh, call uncle. Mamma and Casa.
You can't talk to him.
Mamma and Casa.
No.
Oh, uncle, and I mean to me in Casa. Seer, for phone, mommy.
No, you can't talk to him.
Give me the phone, Seer. Eh! For phone, mommy! You two in sons and all send me 2 minutes. Seer, give me the phone. Eh? Seer, give me the phone. Give me the phone. Send me Pano Catacon. You bring your best floor. But I mean, can't choose. Next time I'm also with Jimmy. I will slap you. So, what do you mean? Huh? What do you mean? So, what do you mean? Yeah.
Boy, not then.
What's the idea? Oh, no, Connie uncle. Oh, uncle.
No, Connie uncle. Wow.
Yo,
Adams.
Oh, Jim cross yourself. Yo, man, control.
No, the question so Connie uncle. Wow. Man, come break.
Adams,
we don't
have money, uncle. Yeah, man, control. Get to love now. I don't want to know. Until you be Diana, a bit my control. You are for the street. Who are for the street? Me catch you are for the street. What street no quite I won't trap you. Me catch you. What you mean, Jamie? Come me catch you.
Or your bag.
What is in my phone?
Wait. You go watch the phone.
Phone there in San Canin cut now.
But man, they were Connie uncle. Phone man, no way. Go on.
Adam, what you swim me crown San Cafu with Yami? Man, sorry, Magana. I mean, what's it?
Oh my.
I am not saying, what the baby, not too many so.
You,
Adams.
How your bag, my granny.
Now, Penny Joa. Any J that baby, I'm a you Penny Joa. You come forward, I will slap you. Yo,
go and sit down. Take your phone for your phone. Just go and sit down.
What's that?
You, Jai.
Hi. But I know my life in the boy. Come on again, me
boy.
Me Adams, me but in come on again, me the but sometimes I bound. I'm too full. Get all out now. They don't want to know a street
too much. Boy, by violence, like I am yes, boy. A cast out chrono. Oh, me
born match you. When you never born mouth. You say, yeah, dear, but Obano, ya, Tiano, Bono, so why the man on my body, baby, not a bro. One bona on Pelmi Cabibia, or baby, one bona, or new Bejai. It's when a Tiana can rock a crack on him. I don't see no comic democrat can make chow. A chow is something who's so piano. Boy, forgetting your copy bindi boy. Right,
Opa, phone man, I say,
Adam's phone in ye, with Tonyam semi young for phone in man. They said you're best friend. Guy, Adams, maybe get me money, Jimmy. Tonyam money, Jimmy. I would tell you no harm.
Don't question.
Adams. Yeah, I would tell you. You know, guy, you call Adams.
Aroma.
Sir.
You can't even feel my pain. Me too, Aroma. Won't it? Aroma,
sir.
You are not on yourself. What is going on?
Sir, I'm fine, sir.
You are fine?
Fine, sir.
Aroma, never try to conceal the truth from me. Else, I may also hide my advice from you. Machse wadiache. When serious here. Indeed, you are the toughest guy on this campus. And so Aroma, enye emasemu. Nemu kamanenya disuemu. Ena medika kacho no. Insi mi asem na misumi insi unyansa. the how be ano. With it for 20 and me or teacher from you, teacher. Put that one aside. Let me come down to your level. I don't even want trust it. In fact, I've seen change. To see we are one. You teach a new baby. Aroma. I have taught in this school for more than 10 years. So baby, I'm a student. I could feel it. So answer me. What will cause a roaring tiger to lay low upon seeing its prey? Tell me. If not the BBC me, my performer. We are crabby or pills, come on, my dear pay. The piano first. Teach you science. Then when the resource science when you say you got D. Obiana kaye A no, you got D. Which means you are going down. And then how? Talk to me as a friend, as a brother. Talk to me.
Sir, the thing is, I've not been feeling myself since I started this bad behavior. I feel like I'm lost. You know, since I started this behavior, I'm the toughest guy, I'm the hardest guy, and you know, I just feel lost. I feel lost, sir. I feel like I'm lost.
Aroma, you are not lost. It is only when the pot is breaking or broken that there is no hope. Say hinano a bar and then there should be any hope. Na insuo no ihwe gudia and there so ho. Say the we be a be jai na o dia bawie ye. No adekunti a o ma me no papa do be school mu anomo a. You leave this school with flying colors. Yo emre bibri o wanim a wo bi school bitima de opibia. Umbeso be doctor. Umbeso be lawyer. Then why are you chasing these ladies? The internal friend toughest guy. No by region her. Nathan region her. Now all cause confusion between the girls. Be jai side you na. No sir, you get cringy to your books. Your books no family. Friend, be friend to your book. So you dear prep time. Omujimia, let them fool. For book on the suadia. Enye elite. So be for book on be suadia. Adie bia e fruit bia na be saba. Minuano. En fa se me kire wade yi na ye nipa. Se we jai e futu boni na we jai enema boni na wo ye no a. O parents on be hu mani beji. Me die make catch na maka kire no. Se utie de make catch na de bia no. E bia metima yare me ba hospital na wo na doctor. Remember, there's a saying that all the professionals may boast, but they shouldn't forget say a teacher taught them all. Meet me about maybe an a lawyer, many case where you charge me. Many bedges say Aroma me chain at the no, and then why a lawyer no. A word to the wise is me bro Bible. You say Bible no, I be also on a part. Fene beam, me be a baby and be no king kind. Na meditate on na for we are bompae so utimi yesa di we ya o life ebesesa na o colleagues no on be hu as a new person. They won't call you Aroma again, so your name will change from Aroma to something else which is better. For Bible no king kind, make the Bible your friend and then you desist from those guys. By so doing you'll be a successful person. May the good Lord bless you in all your endeavors. I love you. See you.
Thank you very much, sir. Okay. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, me pay what I mean, the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm broso with me.
So say Chase and say black. Who is good?
I think say Chase is good though.
Yeah, but say Chase is so funny. Anytime when he comes to class, I can't stop laughing. No. Like the last time.
I was like, I'm constantly fast forwarding.
You heard what Scanty said?
What was it?
Being four.
Who is being four? Say Chase.
No. Like we're using four to form a sentence.
Oh, yes, true.
Scanty said being four.
And people said Kwasia.
They was in Jimmy 4. Because said Jimmy 4.
Can you tell your teacher Jimmy 4?
And his teachers were like, hey, let me Jimmy 4. He was like, hey, let me Jimmy 4. So what courses is somebody to school was it? The man bomb cool. Oh God, say change. Why please one?
No one.
Are you sure?
Yes, no one.
Okay. Hey, ba. Today school was really stressful.
Yeah, I'm really hungry.
I have food.
What do you
I
want?
made rice. Jollof.
I don't like rice.
What do you want?
I want yam
Yam.
with egg stew.
But the yam, yeah, you can cook it right now. It's not a big deal. Who is calling? This person has been calling you more than 5 times.
It's my uncle. You wanted to link me up with some guy.
But tell him you don't like the person. So why are you ignoring his calls?
Let's continue. I'll call him later.
Answer. Okay, should I excuse you?
Oh no.
Then answer.
Let's talk. Don't worry. Hey, I said cheese. Then Opoku said what?
Just answer.
Can we continue?
We can, but what you are doing like is weird. I don't get it.
Let's talk, okay?
I have nothing to say. Just answer the phone.
I have to off my phone.
Why? Answer.
Hello. Listen, my phone. I don't know how to sound. Listen, my phone. I don't like that.
Who is that?
My uncle.
Yeah, sure.
My uncle. I don't like that. I don't like this type.
The voice is familiar.
Who?
The voice.
It's my uncle. He's in years.
Go to your call logs and let me see.
I
Your
said
uncle.
it's my uncle.
Let me check.
Hmm?
Hey, Dennis.
Hi.
Hey, uncle, that
Yes, my uncle. Check the number. Okay, now.
This is daddy who say uncle. This is daddy.
Yes, my
Who
daddy.
say
Yes,
uncle?
it's my daddy.
Hey, why are you tripping?
No, it's my daddy. Seriously, it's my daddy.
Girls can't lie.
It's my dad. I'll call him later.
Dennis.
Hi. Which one is Bennis?
Bennis,
Bennis.
who
I
is
think it's my
stubborn?
uncle.
The voice is familiar. Like I know the voice.
You don't know anyone.
Okay.
Yeah, me pen kwana me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso with me ya. Me pesa me come any months with your me ya. Oh Lord, I pray let I.
Again, we are shimming on mine. Again, no was one. I know try me bounce beyond.
Rather be a child bounce. You see, to my one sign, man, I'm more serious now.
The view. I think, come on, I'm meeting no man bollowis. That's a man you should pen to pen. Oh, man, bollowis. And as I made it, I bro, get me home for me home for. And I'm to mean him to be open.
Oh, my friend.
Sana no work
I
and
means of
minutes and what that damn dear.
I know that.
Me get there, Opoku the one he come home for. To me, him to open me. And I'm the boss of man, say, we need to know when I film it.
I know.
So again, it's a demon telling me who be down with me as him.
Good morning.
Hey, I didn't see. Precious a bit from Muhammad Scanty chain. Hey, problem about Montemana. We just send a Kanyamina Danas you. We dear papa, met our sick. It was sick. I said, my Montem.
No, I think. You're quite in one you want to do. Boy, oh. The one I will be doing my TH. Thank you.
To me now, who shall many who call baby just room to me.
Why? What is going on?
Sorry.
Opoku, what is going on? Opoku, what? Is someone coming?
No.
Are you being attacked?
No.
Then what is wrong?
No.
Opoku, do you know you almost hurt me? What is all this? What is all this about?
Sorry. S for sorry. S for sorry. You come and pass. But you greet, then you pass. Why? What is the matter?
What is the matter? Can't I just greet and pass?
No, but you see that Scanty is sitting there, my J and me. Even if you don't come to me, you can go to Scanty. Why? Is there any problem?
We are not really on good terms for me to go and talk to him.
Really on good terms?
Nah.
Terms and conditions?
We are not on good terms.
Like how?
We are kind of fighting. He said he doesn't want our relationship to be a public one. He wants to hide me, and I can't do that. So I've told him that if he cannot make it public, then let's break up. Because I think he has another girl.
Boy, I said, "Mopeje is a menina di ka kan wasem."
Really?
Menina kan wasem odon me say, I don't know any precious relationship. I say, "Woody say." I don't know. Me kwa me yesen ko mu create TikTok account.
That's what I told him too.
Sana also kind.
Yes, Opoku, we think alike.
Me and I'm saying.
I said TikTok, Snap, Instagram. Everywhere.
Like a creative relationship goes.
Yeah. So I slow, so what I say. But Jabi be a man in boy. Get na head there obeba. What I say. Relax. Me am on say why slow I need the way see be twe ma wan chia any ade I don't know. On say how. Opoku ntina matwe about outside. What I say. So I nigga catch us a snitch. Nyam komo bia na also do one anim bro.
Dabi na Mike. Me pa meti ho na precious. Frapon team about be twem no for me nim. Na so chai. Good afternoon. Wan bo me deep no twem.
E bi si da o. E bi si da.
Say no ba be gina me nchen kwa so me mu no aha give me answer. Just say me na me catch and so dey call me ba. Precious twem.
Adams, relax. A man I be share no munya mai. Adams, me ke bibia mai be share no munya mai. Ye be share Beyonce mo ne person ne o my lie.
What can is hard there? Can be precious my follow my girl no. Girl na o me say no. Mike.
Me kind na precious or no ba ya ne yes anoma no na.
Is that what he said?
On say me ko kan biblia obeka se bia me be di konkonsa.
Nah, Opoku, talk to me.
On say me no school man na me wono. De bi o mo se me nye. Nti asa asem ba na me be ka.
Opoku, who says ya no?
Sana manfo
We
kika.
are very good. You
Sana
help us know things that are happening in the school. Also tell me.
Ti me ni di nko no se ono kra de ono no. Se ba se oba o ye kokko pa de ontimi ni build relationship goes.
Really? Is that what he said?
Na him say obeje de se sia me ne to obetu fa so no. Aka che my J say awo kwa akwai I don't know fan ho be. Ama aka che my J so aka den say oni ni pie no akopege ama no.
Mike.
My J.
I thought Michael supported our relationship.
Ana kai. Ana say Michael support mo. Ana say Michael support mo.
Hey, then this thing is really serious.
Sure. No polutu Mike polutu no. I say hi. And a precious no crown no as we chere no too much. And a precious no class omusa asu uswa. Omusa uswa omo cut town sisi ombenya big girls are omo feche wama. Say my J no ye win ni no ye adwuma town. Waka chozosh.
Oh nah. I've been hearing about it.
Oh when mama nyaka.
So you're the only one who advised Scanty that he should stay with me. You're the only one.
Me am catch Scanty say oh your ba obetimi na atena. Only no betima build relationship goals. And I must have fatam ho. I say Opoku jade o chire no na wiase pa de hey.
I don't get why. Simple. Let's make this public. Simple. I don't know how hard it is. And he's always using Imaya as an excuse that Imaya is not going to fund his education again if
Imaya kura support him. You say Nancy na me Imaya din komo. Nancy na me Imaya din.
Opoku, what is this?
Hey. Say ma ro me ho. Me ho. He pressure to the woman of.
Oh.
Kafra.
You've turned the shirt. Opoku. Opoku.
And then me, also,
for a
as I'm
second, I was
American.
thinking you were the one for me, but what you are doing here?
Hey, let's go back to that second.
Opoku, we think
Let's
alike,
go.
but some things
Yes.
you do.
No, listen, Apre, listen. It's not like
For a
yeah.
second, you make me think that you are the one.
Listen, did you believe sir?
Okay.
Why?
I'm leaving. You are not okay.
Hey!
You're.
Boy, but the can't say a dear children, I'm bossing now.
What?
I said, my make what's all the 2-3. Mrs. Scanty boy. Me. What's your relationship when we support you?
Yes.
Why we need to support him? Fully supported. And I'm a tamochi, dear Cosunina. But boy, now you know, hostile, he said, precious, no, as a war or flezo. I said, my dear Beckham, no, tear. Or when I drink relationship, so. Hey, now can I make
Michael, I thought Michael was really supporting us.
We are just your pay, and I do not swap it.
Oh yeah, John.
Amen.
Titi. Oh yes, oh yeah, John. Oh yes, oh yeah. Me nipa no Adams. Bibi ani a uchire mu chire me. Me te wase. But in for ba ho adwin hye utiri. How many times na be say me kasa asem uchire o?
Me for baby I want drink shame me three my by precious there. Like precious. Hurt me wu am again no. Me de me nkwa to am again no.
Wait me wu am again.
Me.
Adams say na nya wala sa me no obedi agro ni ana.
Like na say me now there.
And you forgetting Sasta and Adams. We need my EPC show me EPC share you. Nicki Minaj mu na e my EPC hu am yenye hu am Adams. Na wo ye hu am kro mu nyam bedru stage. What I say? Sa against we mu dey also forget you mu. Na wi aso we mu kra ne ma do so say mema untu for two kra onye bone. Me ka bibia am na me ka kire wo. Adams forget me no kra ka ma pa ba akwa hye akiri.
Oh precious you mean to me furniture.
Utimi fanichi.
Oh that. Oh kwa the men kan call.
Are wo sumi ame akoduru yen.
Abi nye me am sun gen na me don. Hey, like me doge no. Hey, the rate am do precious no munye hu you. Me doge no again me pe no.
Matias here, bro. Said Sadia and also relax, but right now you are getting one drink fruit, bro. Me madam for no idea how I have me. Matias here. Ti forget to say Allah no guess no dey boy. Odi o mechi dey on be mo nya heartbreak o. On be mo wu. What I say? Tie. Idea na wo kan me mate wasi o. Fane so no na ne ma mi sika kase da abonten a. Kon kan chen ma me so on fan go she inside. Nti wo so am na wo se won pe open relationship na o se da bi no. Asasa asem no kra na ka obisa na o ma wansa. E kwase asem
Now we Mike we cry idea also to me now so they treat me say.
Nya say
bia won say me cheat and na say won say me fucking lie bi o see yenya ade no open.
na me say
wo hu bi precious wo hu precious.
Me see wo hu bi foforo.
David Mike.
O so on jindi. Boy, a man no, style bi o, bibi different o. Wan hwe ya won ti ase o Adams. Unti wani ni wo. Hwe, uni man boy say twa man for guess.
Hey,
precious
on yes go.
Oba bi wo ho din wo fence so no but bad boy bi twa no. Me na me ka kire o.
And be so just say obi twa precious and ask what family chia na.
Me say e betime asi. Ada precious onye nipa. Onye oba.
Me na me name precious.
Onye oba. Bo mu ani na me ka kire o.
Nyakopon pa eboa hwemanim pa mame oba. Kanyakopon oboa mame oba kokwa. Sister, kase de mesima kroge yi. Any na building relationship goals. Me see me oba sisi a me nice guy oyo kokwa sisi a. Me ni be create account baako. Me ni be use number baako. Me ni be sha atale baako. Me ni be dampa baako so. In fact, baby e be ko bia e be na mabom. Me minimum de do rough. Hey, you pray. But all the same, no, I could be baby phone, you know. Normal. And I'm the kind of pay. The one who love didn't get, and the one who get didn't love.
The one
who gets didn't love. It is sanity. To the come to him, what? And my winning so encofa problem. Nay, I dream bimlo. What? Huh? Remember Tawachi 247. Why?
Thank you very much.
DBC be answer catch them.
And then whatever you hear, come and tell me.
Catch you.
Anything Scanty says, come and tell me. So I'll know my stance. Because I don't know my stance in this relationship.
Oh, I know na me draw or hono. Tell me tell some me catch the one. No one shall catch the Scanty. What's there no any fair? If I speak to you, put it in your head. Don't put it in your mouth. Today I want to take you out.
Take me out.
Have you go to out before when you come this way?
Not really.
Impien na kwa when so ade yanko jam yanko crab bi na nom baby
Nah,
answer.
I don't like going to the club. We can go to a restaurant though.
Open my bomb account.
Oh nah.
Na crab ma to say we dey won no sanka malt mienu bi.
Let's go to a restaurant or an arcade or something. That we go and play games.
And yanko hotel.
Opoku. Nah. What are you going to do at a hotel?
Oh, na say hotel your passport.
We sleep and wake up. You and I, we have separate rooms, girl.
Definitely on one bed.
Oh nah. We are not doing that.
Okay, but we go out. I'll take you to a restaurant so that we go and chop.
Right now, I can see that we think alike.
We think alike. We are more than collaboration.
Yeah.
Me and you, we are collaboration.
Of course.
How we laugh is collaboration. How we talk is collaboration.
Exactly.
And how we think is collaboration.
It's collaboration.
We are a perfect combination.
Of course.
Ala P for prayer.
Oh, for
P for prayer.
Hey, you.
Me how basa.